Both the Browns and the Steelers go into Saturday night's game with 1-2 records. Both clubs are having problems at quarterback. The Steelers are going with rookie Kent Nix. The Browns with Frank Ryan, who'll be playing with several minor injuries. As expected, the first quarter was dominated by defense. Marv Woodson picks off Ryan's pass. The Pittsburgh offense is stymied by a grudging Cleveland defense. The Steelers have to settle for a 43-yard field goal attempt. Mike Clark's shot is good, and Pittsburgh has a 3-0 advantage. As the Cleveland offense takes the field, the quarter changes. Frank Ryan finds his footing despite 2 injured ankles and sets loose Leroy Kelly. Tonight, Kelly is the league leader in rushing. This 9-yard gain is a good example of why. Kelly's a slasher and Ernie Green is a bruiser. He bowls into Steeler territory. Ryan has set up the pass to Larry Conjar. Defensive holding on this play, matched by a similar infraction 3 plays later, carries the Browns to the Steelers' 17. No help from the referee is needed here as Ryan finds Warfield for the 6-pointer. The Browns defense is hot and comes up with the ball almost immediately. The Steeler defense won't be overshadowed, though. Marv Woodson pulls off his 2nd interception. If Kent Nix can beat the clock, the Steelers will have the halftime advantage. Pittsburgh penetrates to the Browns' 13, but Cleveland leads 7-3 at the break. The defensive battle of the first half will give way to a wild offensive seesaw in the 3rd quarter. Ryan picks up Catfish Smith sliding out to the flat. He's all alone with a clear track to the goal. Smith carries the final tackler over, and the Browns are up 14-3. The rookie Kent Nix rolled up 208 yards passing, 13 on this square out to Dick Compton. Nix comes back with a heady call. John Hilton on the end around. The drive's capped when Nix finds Dick Hope running clear on this flare pattern. The Steelers are closing. It's 14-10. The teeter-board battle continues as the Browns storm back. Ryan swings Ernie Green to the right, and the Cleveland fullback blasts in for what will prove to be the final score of the night. As it began, so it will end. The final quarter is dominated by ball-hawking defense. Ryan has all the time he needs, but it doesn't help. Andy Russell returns 42 yards. With 5 seconds remaining, the Steelers are still going for it. Ross Fichtner drops the curtain on the final play. The score, Browns 21, Steelers 10. With this win, the Cleveland Browns are in striking distance of this week's opponent, the division-leading St. Louis Cardinals.